How to close the gaps on a wooden fence. Do you have a wooden fence, with panels that are so wide apart, that you can fully see through the gaps? Wet or dry roof cement is ideal for the repair of cracks and holes, which makes it perfect for using it to close those unwanted gaps on any wooden fence. Get some gloves and a putty spreader. Put on the gloves, dip the putty spreader in the roof cement, and spread it over the gaps on your fence. Let it dry for at least 2 days, and then it will be ready to be painted. The paint not only makes your fence to look its best, but it also protects the wood and makes the fence last longer. Not only can this be done for closing gaps on the fence, but it can also be done to repair cracks on the wood. Just repair any cracks with the roof cement and paint it. Wear sunglasses to protect your eyes, and wear some old clothes that you can toss away when you are done.